Subtraction like 10 minus 5 equals 5. We learn multiplication like 10 times 10 equals 100. And we learn division like 10 divided by 10 equals 1. We are storytellers and leaders. Well, listen to read book our own amazing. We learn to be makadiyos, makatao, makalikasan, at makabansa. I want to thank our parents for always supporting us and loving us. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Mwah! Thank you to our teachers and school staff for teaching us and helping us. You're the best. Thank you, friends who made kindergarten so much fun. We're going to miss kindergarten, but we're excited for grade 1. Thank you, God, for guiding, protecting us. We're so grateful. Congratulations.